Are you one of these people that thinks on-site training is the best and only way to train? And if you do, that's fine. I'm not here to persuade you or oversell you, but now with the really explosion of technology, there's a lot of really good ways to virtually train, and in some ways virtual training is actually better than the on-site. It's also cheaper in lots of cases, especially with us, and you don't have to pay for instructor travel. Our virtual class is just like our on-site class. They're both customized and instructor led. So two things to start thinking about with a virtual class. One, the convenience of it. Your team is able to learn on their own time, at their own pace. They can use different devices to digest the material. And the other thing to consider here is retention. You're getting it in bite-sized pieces over time versus sitting in a room for a day or two and learning that way. So if you think that your team's learning style would be more conducive to a virtual platform, give us a call. We're happy to set up a quick 2 or 3 minute demo for you and show you how great our virtual platform is, and see if we can put together some information for you.